welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here and I have a unboxing video today. So I got sent a package all the way from Singapore. My new friend Myae, that's how she says how to say it. I'm pretty sure it's May or Myae. Sorry if I mispronounce that, Myae, but you can follow her at _socks _n _sandals _xx. I will link her down below. And thank you so much for my package. She's actually a subscriber of mine that reached out to me and she was like, hey, if I send you some stuff from overseas, do you want it? I'm like, hell yeah. So if you guys want to send me any stuff, then DM me on Instagram and I can give you my address there. But you do not have to send me anything. You do not have to. But thank you so much to everyone that has. Yeah, so I think this is kind of like a Christmas, New Year-y kind of gift. So I'm just going to open it on up. So it's got cute, like, green packaging. I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Myae. I really hope I'm saying your name properly. It's going to ruin my whole life. I'll spell it properly on the screen, I promise. Okay, so I'm opening it up. She was so worried that it had got lost in the mail because it's the first time she's sent mail overseas and I think she thought it was going to get lost and then it arrived. So I'm so excited that that happened because I was starting to panic too, but I didn't want to let her know. Oh my god. So it's wrapped in this like green paper, but it's also in this amazing box. Look at that. This is so pretty. Oh my god, I'm gonna go put it on my desk over there. I feel like I need to have it like on display. It is so pretty. Oh my god. Okay, let's open her up. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Oh my jeez, are you like, do you work in some kind of like gift shop or something? Oh my goodness. Okay, so the card, which is so super cute. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Oh my god, there's such a big note on me. Oh my god, I need to read this. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna read it out. So, hey, I don't even know if you'll receive this package, but I sure hope you do. Your videos really cheer me up when I'm sad because they are so full of positive and cheery vibes. Aww. I remember coming across one of your videos while searching up on some Jeffree Star swatches and that's when I started to binge watch your videos. You're so funny and cute sometimes. Okay, all the time. Oh, stop it. I hope you'll continue to make videos and spread positive vibes. Love that. I'll continue to support you as always and I'm sure your channel will continue to grow this 2018. There are a few products from Azram brands such as Innisfree, Lineage and Eastwood House. I thought it'd be nice to let you try these. My favorites include the Elude House Play Color Eyes palette as well as the Clay Mask. Hopefully you'll like them too. I don't know. Haha. Well, that's it from me for now. Maybe I'll send you more fan mails in the future. Love, Myae. P.S. You're actually the first YouTuber I sent mail to and also gathered enough courage to talk to. Oh, you can talk to me anytime. Any of you guys can talk to me anytime. I love when you guys talk to me. Like, that's why I want to do YouTube, just so I can talk to people. Like, I love everyone and stuff like this. Like, not gifts, just cards. Like, it's honestly the nicest thing. Like, it makes me so happy. Like, I want to cry. And Myae, and honestly, I haven't tried any of these brands, so this is really exciting. I'm like, I need to frame this. This is a work of art. Like, I'm pretty sure she hand did this card and then I love it. I love the whole thing and this kills me. I'm just like, oh okay, that's, oh my god, like this is the fanciest thing I've ever seen in my life. Oh my, oh okay, let's pull the first thing out of here. You spoiled me. Okay, so Etude House Play Color Eyes hashtag wine party 10 color eyeshadow palette reflecting deep rich wine colors. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh, this is so exciting. Oh my god. See, I've never left New Zealand, so it's like just even getting things from overseas, I'm just like, what is this? I've never seen this before. Oh my god, how cute is this packaging? I love it. Oh my god, look at the little, like, look at the little seal that's on there. It is so cute. Oh my god, I'm like shaking. Like, this is so exciting. Okay, hold up. How do I take it off? I don't want my nails to go through it. I will cry. Oh, okay. Okay, this sparkly one. I need to try this one now. I'm just gonna swatch that. I'm just gonna swatch her. Damn, look at that. It's like a real subtle glow. I really like that one. Let's try this, like, this one here. Oh, come through, Etude House. Yes. Oh my god, I love this. I love this. I want to cry. Okay, put that in there. Alrighty, I feel like I need to put this somewhere where we can see it. So it's, you can live there. You can live behind me. Okay, oh my god, and there's so much of this stuff in here. Oh my god, yes. A wine lip tint, Chateau Le Beau, Laboratories of Nature. I've seen fake ones of these, and I think I've nearly tried one on my channel, I think I have tried it on my channel, but it'd be exciting to try the actual real one. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. It's so cute. And these tint so nicely. Well, I've never had a real one, I've just had the fake one, and that tinted so nice, so oh my god, I'm so excited. Put her there. And then, okay, so this is an Appleseed Cleansing Trial Kit. This refreshing cleansing line is enriched with the vitality of apple seeds to leave skin looking clean and clear like a freshly washed apple. I love looking like an apple, so this is fantastic. Oh my god, oh, I need to, like, oh my god, it is like a whole kit. Oh my goodness, look. Okay, let's open this one. I feel like I'm gonna... Oh my god, it smells like sour apples. Oh, that smells so good. Oh my god. This is so cute. I love it. Okay, we'll put her there. And then this is a two-tone lip bar. Oh my god, she sent me so much stuff. I don't even want to know how expensive all this stuff was. Like, thank you so much. Ugh. And I hope you guys don't think I'm doing this video to brag. I'm just sharing with you guys my reactions to getting cute things from you guys, because I just want to share. Oh my god, I'm like just open already. Okay, so it's got a safety seal. Knew that. So it's, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, how does it work? How does it work? So it's two-tone, alright. And then, oh my god, look, it's like a Sharpie pen. Oh my god, look. Oh, look, it's like an ombre. Oh, oh, oh. Okay. Oh. Oh my god, look. It would like ombre your mouth. Oh my god. That is so exciting, because they have these in New Zealand and they are honestly like they are honestly like $100 or something. So, oh my god. I can't wait to use this. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so excited. Alrighty, and then what are these here? These are a powder-proof brush liner, and then this is a drawing eyebrow. So this is an eyebrow pencil. Oh, oh, look. Oh, let's see how you swatch. Oh my god, this is sharp. Look at that. That is going to look so good on my brows. Alright, and then this one is a... can't even bother taking off all these seals. Oh, she's gonna cut a bitch. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that is intense. Okay. And then, oh my god, it just keeps going. I'm like, oh yeah, it's all done now. And I know it's still going. It's still going. Okay, so this is a volcanic color clay mask. Oh, that's exciting, because I've been wanting to try clay masks so much because I want something to just stick to my face, because I love masks and stuff, and I really want ones that peel off. Like, where do you get ones that peel off? Because that's what I want. Oh, another volcanic, just being real fancy, a volcanic clay mask. And then we have another one. So, oh, this is a hydrating one. So they must do different things. I need to look at what these ones do. The first one is vitalizing, the next one's refining, this one is hydrating, and then this one is purifying. So it's like a purifying mask. That's really wicked. And then I think this is, no, it's still going. This is a Good Night for Good Day Sleeping Pack collection. So an aloe revital sleeping pack, green tea sleeping pack, and a wine jelly sleeping pack. Oh my god. Oh my god, I just have skincare for days. This is so exciting. And then at the bottom we have the green tea seed serum. A moisturizing, nourishing serum with Jeju green tea. Experience the powerful hydration of Jeju green tea within 3 seconds. Oh, so it's got different days. So it's got day 1, day 2, and day 3 on there in that packet. That is so awesome. Honestly, I am like blown away. Thank you so much. Like, this stuff is incredible. I feel so spoiled. Like, thank you so much from like the bottom of my heart. I'm so excited. These are so cool. Oh, I love it. I can't wait to try this lipstick on. Like, I feel like I'm gonna try, like, did anything come with a mirror? This came with a mirror. I feel like I'm just gonna try this over my lipstick now because I need to just try it. I just need to do it. So I'm like, I don't have a cloth to wipe this one off with, but I'm gonna try it anyway because I just need to. This is gonna be my new favorite thing. This is so exciting. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, cool. Okay. All right, I'm ready. Okay. So the darker bit goes on the outside, I think. Ooh, look at that. I love that. It's so hydrating too. Oh my god, look. Oh my god, my lips are so juicy now. Oh my god, look how juicy I am. Oh my god, look how juicy my lips are. I am dying. This is amazing. I keep trying to, like, because it goes the opposite way. I'm like, alrighty. So yeah, I am living for this lipstick. This is amazing. That's probably like my favorite thing out of all that stuff, just because it's like two-tonal, but I can't wait to try all my skincare stuff. Thank you so much, Myae, for that, and hopefully I said your name right, and if I didn't, I'm so sorry. But I'm so thankful that you thought I was special enough to send me a gift. That's so nice. I'm just gonna have to send one right back, girl. I'm gonna have to send one right back to you. But if anyone else wants to connect or anything, I love talking to people. As you can tell, I talk non-stop. Like, I'm literally just in my room talking to a camera. So to talk to actual people is really nice for once, because then I'm not just talking to the voices in my head, which are there all the time. But anyway, hopefully you guys like these kind of videos. If you want me to try anything on camera or use it on camera, then let me know in the comments down below. But honestly, I'm just so thankful. I love this. I'm gonna send something right back to you, and I'm just like, it's never gonna be as good as what you've sent me, because it's just amazing. I love it so much. Thank you. And if all you guys enjoyed that, then please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe wherever the subscribe box is, and until the next video, I love all of you so much, especially you, Myae, and I'm pretty sure I'm saying that wrong and I feel really bad. I'm really sorry. But until next time, I love you guys so much, and we'll see you on the next one.